The osmotic pressure in pascals exerted by a solution prepared by dissolving 1 gram of polymer of molar mass 1,85,000 in 450 ml of water at 37 degrees Celsius is. Before attempting the question, you must know this point. If pressure is in Pascal and volume is in liter, then the value of R is 8.314 into 10 raised to 3. You remember this point. What is the equation for osmotic pressure? Osmotic pressure pi is equal to CRT, right? What is C? C is molarity, concentration, molarity, right? And molarity we know it is number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liter. That is the equation for molarity, right? Into RT, right? All values you can find very easily. See what is number of moles? Number of moles is equal to mass of solute by molar mass of solute, correct? What is mass of solute? It's given in the question, 1 gram. What is molar mass? See, 1,85,000, right? 1,85,000. Now what is volume? It's given in the question, 450 ml, which means how much liter? 0.45 liter, right? Okay, now what is temperature? 37 degrees Celsius. See, you have to find answer in Kelvin, temperature in Kelvin, okay? So 37 plus 273. You know this conversion, right? 310 Kelvin, direct substitution. So NB is what? 1 by 185,000 by volume is what? 0.45 into what is R? 8.314 into 10 raised to 3 into what is temperature? 310. Correct, right? Now 1 by 185,000 into 0.45 into 8.314 into 10 raised to 3 into 310. You can calculate this, right? On calculating, you will be getting 30.98 Pascal, approximately 31 Pascal. Hope you understand. It is a very easy question.